So today's song is a great summer tune. It's Havana by Camila Cabello. It's going to be a few chords in the right hand and a short bass riff in the left hand. So we're going to start off with a G minor chord in the right hand, which is just below the middle C here. It's going to be G, B flat and D. That's your first chord. That one happens twice. And then after that, we keep the D on the little finger. And we're going to go D with C right next to it, and the A on the second finger, and the F sharp then here on the thumb. So you get 4 notes in this chord. Then the last chord keeps the F sharp and A down here and stretches up to the E flat on your little finger and drops to D on its own. So all that together you get G minor chords twice, the big chord of 4 notes. Okay, that's the right hand pattern. So on the left hand, you're going to do G on your thumb, followed by D on the forefinger, then 2 E flats on the middle finger. So that first bit goes, and the next part is going to go back to the D, and then stretch up slightly to the A, and the A comes back again in a second. So you get. And if we put that together a little bit at a time, the left hand starts on the G, the right hand starts on this G minor chord, and you're going to go left and then right. And then the D on the E flat on your left hand, then the chord again. So that's the first part, so up to speed it goes. And the next part is where we do the D, A, and then the new chord that has the 4 notes. There, so it's. So far it's. And then you're going to come back to that A on your left hand and the stretch up to the E flat. Okay, so that second part of it is. And if you put all of that together, you get. And that's it. So you can probably hear that it does very similar things most of the way through the song. There are plenty of bits where it stops and starts, and there are some slight variations, but that's the main riff that you'll hear at the beginning of the song and lots of different places through it. So if you enjoyed that one, it'd be great if you could hit the like button, and if you want to subscribe to my channel and see more videos, there should be links popping up on the screen for you now. Have fun!